Well, I'm Advocate Pratima Coutinho. म्हाका वो व्हिडिओ काडपाक पडलो कित्याक एक शॉकिंग इन्सिडंट हांवें आतांच आयकलां. इनफॅक्ट आय वॉज जस्ट गोईंग थ्रू माय डॉटर्स इंस्टा and she just happened to show me, Shasha happened to show me, Mama, see what is come and what has happened in Navili. It saddens that something like this has happened in Navili constituency and that also educated people doing this. Well, I've heard that somewhere in Bele खंय नेबर्स खंय दोन एक बर्मुडा ट्रायंगल म्हणून आसा पळय ओनर तांचें घर खंय आनी ताचे नेबराचें घर. नाव द नेबर्स, I guess some lady called Vienna, I have seen her speaking there, and she has shown a dog, एक मोनजात, एक सुणो, who has got some 4 bullets marks and he's bleeding. And I was shocked. In fact, I got goosebumps. I'm honestly telling, I felt so hurt, I felt so bad looking at the dog state that 4 shots मारिले आसा तेका, gun shots, and after hearing we come to know there's something they are complaining that the dog was coming in the compound and the son, I think the name is some Jovito Fernandez if I'm not mistaken, who is 20 years old, he just shot the dog. Now I want to know who gave license to this Jovito Fernandez. I want to know whether he's got license for that, and license दिकून गन कोणाक दितात? सेल्फ प्रोटेक्शनाक, डिफेन्साक खातीर. हे तूं मोनजातीक मारता? अरे मनशाक मारपाक अधिकार ना हिंगा, आनी मनशाक पूण हें आसता मोनजात बरें ती, एनिमल बरें. What you have ended up doing? It is a big crime actually. I feel the animal lovers also, and I feel I guess that girl called Selena, whoever, the owner's daughter, the सुण्याक जेणे शॉट केला पळय ताणें पोस्ट केल्लें आसा हे इंस्टाग्रामाचेर, आनी ते पळोवन सारके आंगार काटे येतात. हांव म्हणटा की हाऊ कॅन समबडी डू दीस टू एन एनिमल? एनिमलाक तोंड आसता उलोवपाक, मन जात ती धांवता. म्हज्या घरा सुणें आसा, म्हज्या घरा कडेन लोक येता. You had any problem with the dog, you should have gone and complained to the owners. Or secondly, if the owners were still reluctant or not ready to listen, there's always something called police station. You can go and complain to the police station. Animal act लागता हांगा, criminal ताका BNS जाता act लागतलो. I don't know. I only hope that कितें आसूं better sense prevail, but this is not the way. मोनजातीक 4 शॉट मारप म्हणल्यार कितें चल्लां? हांव मागतां की हाजेर कारवाई सारकी जावपाक जाय, आनी whoever, that little guilt should be there. That guilt should be there by that Jovito Fernandez, his parents, mother, sister, whoever. Because I saw one post where one girl is just doing this. What is this? And the son's hand, you can see the gun in the son's hand. And I guess that son's mother is Mercy Fernandez. She's seen talking. I understand. Pets जाता, animal जाता, शेजऱ्या लागून जाता. But this is not called humanity. And against the animal, such cruelty. So कितें आसा तें जावचें, तें सुणें जावं ती मोनजात जावं, पूण कायदो म्हणटा तो सगल्यांक लागता, आनी जस्टीस म्हणटा तें प्रिवेल जावंक जाय, जस्टीस मेळपाक जाय. जस्ट बिकॉज द डॉग इट नॉट बी जस्ट लेट इट लायट. बिकॉज आयज समज कोण भुरगो 20 वर्सांचो रागा बारा सुण्याक 4 शॉट मारपाक शकता जाल्यार फाल्यां कोणाकूय ही कॅन टेक लॉ इन हीज हँड्स. सो हांव मागता कितें आसा तें कायद्यान जावचें, आनी हितूंत इन्फ्लुएन्स इंटरफियरन्स जावचें न्ही म्हणून. देव बरें करूं.